In this CactusVPN review, we'll explore its features, performance, and user experience. Find product links in the description below. CactusVPN is a user-friendly, reliable service for those prioritizing online privacy and security without complex setups. Its strength lies in its wide protocol support, including OpenVPN, IKEv2, and Soft Ether, ensuring flexibility across Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and Linux. The clean interface allows one-click connections, even for non-techies. CactusVPN boasts a strict no-logs policy, guaranteeing private online activity. DNS and IP leak protection further secure your connection. Need online anonymity or to bypass geo-blocks? CactusVPN excels at unblocking streaming platforms like Netflix and BBC iPlayer. Servers in multiple countries provide reliable speeds and solid performance, even during peak hours. While not the absolute fastest, its speed is more than adequate for streaming, browsing, and general online activities. This VPN is ideal for casual users wanting simple, effective online protection and hassle-free secure connections. CactusVPN offers excellent value, combining strong security with ease of use. Looking for a straightforward VPN experience? CactusVPN is worth considering.